these side running boards. And these weren't very hard to install. Just kind of got to be careful with these clips, because yeah, it doesn't line up perfectly, but I think that was an error on my part, because I did this side right once I realized it. So yeah, I think this just looks cooler on the vehicle, these little running boards. So let me head to the other side, as you can see. This gives it a really nice appearance overall. It's just really easy to install. Just gotta be careful when you're putting the clips back in there. Other than that, it was pretty much a breeze. Yeah, I think they're really nice. Ship really fast. Got them in less than a week.